Now we will move forward and we'll talk about the Scorpio. How will be the new year 2025 looks for you? For Scorpio people, this year will be mixed. For Scorpio people, Saturn will be in the 5th house, which is aspecting your 7th house. So you will see delay in marriage and fights in marriage. And you will see that marriage proposal is coming, but things are not working according to you. You are searching for a particular thing, but you are not able to get that. And in this time, if you are planning for baby, then you will see the delays. And if you are already having the children, then you will be worried because they are not studying properly. And in this time, you will be visiting any ancient place like Golconda or Taj Mahal. And for professional life, you will be having some kind of disturbance, so you have to be careful during the July to September, and this time you have to work really hard for that. And for business, if you're doing the foreign related business, then you will get the growth and you will get new contact or new business partner this year. And this time is for betterment and growth. You have to change your thought process. You have to change your pattern. Then only you can stand out different. You have to see how surrounding people are doing. You have to keep your eye on competitors, how they are doing, what they are doing. You have to change yourself according to the market, and you have to catch the trend. Then only you can survive. So change according to the trend and focus on that. Then only you can survive and you can get the growth. As a Scorpio sign, you are the master at doing things deeply, and especially if you are into the business, then quickly adapt new things and change it, which will make you successful. And after May, your financial condition will be improved. You will see growth in your financial condition because of some planetary combination, and you will get many opportunities or sources to make extra money. Somehow you will get the some extra sources or path to make enough money, and you will not sit idle. And because of this you will get the satisfaction, and if your money is stuck, this time you will get it back, and this time your mother will face some health issues. And this year is not so good for the marriage and love relationship. For students, this year will be good for you. You will get the admission in reputed institute, and whatever you studied, you will get the desired results. So we can say that keep doing study and keep growing. And this time you will hear some kind of rumors where people have started talking bad about you. You don't deserve this one. You don't have any skill. You are not worthy enough to get this one, or you have some kind of relationship with someone. This kind of rumors you will have, but it's just rumors. It's not a truth. You don't have to get affected or afraid of it. With time it will pass away. And this time you have to be careful about your stomach. You will have some kind of stomach related issues, so work on your diet and exercise and do meditation. And this time you will visit Hanumanji temple or any famous Hanumanji temple you will visit during August September. So overall we can say for Scorpio people, this year will be for making yourself skillful and be better version of yourself, and this time universe will force you to be that. And if you are not doing it, so if you are watching this video, so make yourself ready for that. So at the starting, it will show you the reality, it will bring you down, and it will make you open your eyes and see the reality where you are, what you are doing. And now it's time for you to change yourself. Now it's time for you to improve yourself. And this time will show you, you haven't changed yourself, you haven't improved yourself, you haven't learned any new skill. So because of that, you are stuck. And this is the time for you to make the change in your life. And if you haven't changed yourself, then in coming time, you will not exist. So if you are watching this video, you need to improve something related to your profession, and you need to learn some skill this time. And before that, you need to change your mindset, and this time you can't escape from the work. You need to put more efforts. You can't run away from the work. You have to work really hard this time. And this time Saturn is aspecting your 11th house, so you will see that you have less friend left with you, and you will have some kind of fight or argument with your relatives. And this time Mars will be sitting in your 9th house, so father might get BP or cholesterol related issue, so take care of his health. And now remedy for this year chant the Hanuman Chalisa, visit Hanuman temple, and if you are not the devotee of Hanumanji, then become the devotee. Then only you will see the good result in entire year. Now this is all about the Scorpio sign. Now comment what will be your new year resolution in 2025.